Introducing Veil Naturals, your skin and hair's purest companion, crafted 100% from nature's embrace. Are you tired of harmful chemicals damaging your skin and hair? Say goodbye to those worries. Our carefully sourced ingredients are full of nature's goodness, offering the solution you deserve. From the farm to the lab, we pour love and care into each product. Our Ayurveda-inspired recipes, passed down from nanis and dadis, ensure authentic remedies that work wonders. Experience the magic of nature with our powders and oils, specially designed to cater all your needs. Trust us, your problems will be a thing of the past. Embrace pure beauty with Veil Naturals, where authenticity meets nature's touch. Join us on a journey to healthier skin and hair naturally.